So I've started drilling my base, and it's been pretty loud here the last couple of times. You can see some of the ant mounds that I've made. I've got some 1/4-inch holes made with my spring inserts. Is this thing moving? Alright, here comes the noise. I've been using 3-in-1 oil. Horrible idea. Now I've got some stuff called Tack Magic. Drizzle a little bit on there. And it'll quiet right up. It smells like cinnamon too. If you can get in that hole, it just gets real quiet and just goes. I'm drilling these holes with a 5/32 drill bit, and I'm tapping them with 1032. I'm using a high-speed steel tap. Where'd it go? On the end of a Black & Decker with the torque. That slows it down so that you can do a pretty good job. It's already got a shiny end. It was kind of used when I got it. My uncle let me borrow it. And then I'm using a piece of 1/4-inch, little over 1/4-inch bar, and I've got a hole that's drilled a little bit bigger. I drilled this with a 21 drill bit and then tapped it. And I use this as a feed, and what I do is I'll lay it up there with the drill and the tap already inserted, and then that kind of keeps me at a level so that the hole isn't all wacky. I'm drilling down to -0.3. And there we go, we're done. One more hole drilled. It takes about 3 minutes. I'm doing a 0.1 inch per minute feed. It takes about 3 minutes. And there's a hole. There we go. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. I've got 14 to go. Alrighty. Thanks for watching.